Hello, welcome to my channel. Have you ever found yourself questioning the safety of your hair straightening products? This is a question that's been plaguing many of us, particularly in light of the discovery of potentially harmful effects tied to these products, especially those laden with a distressing chemical called formaldehyde. But what is formaldehyde? It's a colorless, flammable gas often used in various industrial applications. Short-term exposure to formaldehyde can lead to various health issues, including irritation and respiratory problems. However, the real horror is the long-term exposure. Formaldehyde, when products like hair straighteners, is released into the air and is classified as carcinogenic. It's also found in embalming fluid and has been linked to high rates of leukemia and other cancers among embalmers. The first alerts about these hair straightening products came from the Food and Drug Administration in the early 2000s. Research pointed to a connection between these formaldehyde-infused products and hormone-related cancers, a chilling revelation that sent shockwaves through industry and beyond. Intriguingly, these products are more commonly employed by black women. In fact, half of hair products marketed to black women were found to contain these formaldehyde-emitting chemicals, a stark contrast to the mere 7% of products for white women with these chemicals. The risk is not trivial. Studies that women who frequently use chemical hair straighteners face a higher risk of uterine, ovarian, and breast. So we're left with the question, why has a proposed ban taken so long to be enacted? The journey towards the FDA's proposed ban has been a long and winding one. Let's travel back in time to the year 2006, when FDA lawyers first started drafting a proposed ban on formaldehyde in hair straightening products. For reasons unknown, they halted their efforts, leaving the issue unresolved and the public in the lurch. Fast forward a few years to 2011, when the Environmental Working Group, a non-profit organization dedicated to protecting human health and the environment, took a stand. They petitioned the FDA to ban these products due to the health hazards they posed. Their call to action, unfortunately, did not lead to immediate change. A whole decade later, in 2021, they found themselves petitioning yet again. In the midst of all this, Representatives Ayanna Pressley and Shontel Brown stepped forward, requesting a thorough investigation into the increased risk of uterine cancer linked to these products. Their advocacy highlighted the urgent need for regulatory action, bringing the issue into sharper focus. Finally, after years of advocacy, studies, and increasing public awareness, the FDA has taken a decisive step. They plan to recommend a ban on formaldehyde in hair straightening products, a move that has been long awaited by many. This proposed ban, which also includes other formaldehyde-releasing chemicals, is set to go into effect in April 2024. The road to this proposed ban has been long indeed, fraught with obstacles and delays. Yet, the journey continues as we wait to see the full impact of this decision on the hair care industry and, more importantly, on the health of millions of women worldwide. What does the proposed ban mean for those who regularly use these products? This question has been on the minds of many since the FDA announced their plans to ban formaldehyde in hair straightening products. The implications are far-reaching and could potentially change the hair care landscape as we know it. For starters, the ban could encourage a shift towards embracing natural hair textures, particularly among black women. These women have been disproportionately affected, with 50% of hair products targeted towards them containing formaldehyde or formaldehyde-releasing chemicals. The ban could promote a healthier hair care routine, reducing the risk of exposure to harmful chemicals and potentially lowering the risk of hormone-related cancers. The proposed ban could also have legal ramifications for companies that have been selling these potentially harmful products. Take, for instance, the lawsuit filed against L'Oreal and other companies. The claim: exposure to these chemicals caused uterine cancer. If the ban goes through, it could open the door for more legal actions against manufacturers who knowingly put consumers at risk. Now let's talk about the health implications. Formaldehyde, a colorless, flammable gas, is released into the air as a gas when heated in hair straightening products. Frequent exposure to formaldehyde can cause a range of health issues, from irritation to respiratory problems. It's not just the users who are at risk. Hairstylists who apply these products are also exposed to these chemicals on a regular basis. The ban could potentially protect these workers from the long-term health risks associated with formaldehyde exposure. While the ban is a step in the right direction, it's clear that there's still a long way to go in ensuring the safety of hair care products. The proposed ban is a wake-up call for the hair care industry. It's a call for transparency, for safer products, and for the health of millions of people who use these products every day. The road to safer hair care might be long, but with steps like this, we're heading in the right direction. So where do we stand now? As we've seen, hair straightening products can carry with them a host of hidden dangers, including the potential for serious health risks like uterine, ovarian, and breast cancer. These products, often disproportionately used by Black women, have been under scrutiny for their use of formaldehyde, a chemical linked to these health concerns. The FDA has now proposed a ban on the use of formaldehyde in these products, a move that could drastically change the hair care industry and the products available to consumers. This is a major step towards prioritizing health over vanity, but the journey is not over yet. The proposed ban is set to go into effect in April 2024, marking a significant shift in the industry. It's essential that we, as consumers, stay informed about the potential health risks associated with the products we use every day. This situation serves as a reminder that not all that glitters is gold, and that sometimes the pursuit of beauty can come with hidden costs. Remember, your health is worth more than a good hair day. Subscribe for more health-related topics.